over many decades, Egypt has been a cradle of civilization, a platform for development, and a destination for brothers. Recognizing that electricity is one of the pillars for the modern century development, Egypt has given special attention to this sector in recent years. Egypt succeeded in building its modern renaissance through several major projects to overcome the electricity deficit and achieve an overproduction. EGEMAC, a name that put his prominent place in energy world. It contributed to cover over 65% of the local market's need. EGEMAC, one of the main arms of the state in expanding towards Arab and African countries. The journey began in the late 1970s. The company has established and cooperated with Siemens, which contributed 3%. Along with the Egyptian Electricity Holding Company in Egypt, which contributed 62%. The National Company of Construction and Reconstruction contributed with 25%. Al-Nasr for Distribution Transformers Company, El-Mako, with 5%. And Messrs Company for Mechanical and Electrical Projects, Kahromika, with 5%. For looking leadership and excellence, the company cared to have several departments whose mission is to research, develop, monitor quality, and provide installation and maintenance to achieve the customer's satisfaction. The company's products varied between medium voltage distributors of 12 and 24 kilovolts, ring main units of 24 and 12 kilovolts, RMU, in their three types: Air, GIS, Air SF6, and complete distribution kiosks, 12 and 24 kilovolt, medium and high voltage measuring transformers with operating voltages of 12, 24, and 66 kilovolts, high voltage breakers or switch fuses of 72.5 kilovolts and 245 kilovolts. EGEMAC provides high-quality services according to the international standards and has earned ISO certificates. ISO 9001 for quality management systems, ISO 14001 for environmental management systems, and OSAS 45001 for health and safety. Looking to develop its products, EGEMAC has signed several partnership contracts with giant companies such as Schneider, Siemens, ABB, Alstom, Pfiffner, and General Electric. EGEMAC has been able to make contributions with several major entities such as XD Xian, a leading Chinese company in the field of manufacturing high-voltage transformers and gas-insulated substation equipment up to 500 kilovolts. This resulted in the establishment of XD EGEMAC with a contribution of 49% and the creation of the largest factory in Ain Sokhna on an area of 276,000 square meters. EGEMAC also partnered with Chint, a leading Chinese company in the field of manufacturing low-voltage panels, to establish Chint EGEMAC in the 6th of October city with a 49% contribution. In addition, EGEMAC has contributed 79% to El-Mako for electrical transformers, 5% to Damco, 5% Egyptian company for manufacturing electrical insulators, and 10% to African Company of Electrical and Mechanical Projects. Believing in its national role, EGEMAC has implemented over 430 substation, distribution and transmission stations and lines all over Egypt. And through Egypt's vision for sustainable development by 2030, the company has contributed to the implementation of the Bimban Solar Power Station project in Aswan, which is one of the world's largest solar power production projects. This was achieved by establishing a substation for electricity transmission and distribution at voltage of 22 over 22 over 220 kilovolts, as well as another substation at 500 kilovolts. EGEMAC's contributions extended to various aspects of Renaissance of Egypt. EGEMAC has supplied equipment for strategic projects in Egypt such as New Alamein City at a total cost exceeding 100 million Egyptian pounds. The new administrative capital at a total cost exceeding 100 million Egyptian pounds. Other multiple projects. EGEMAC has also adopted a new approach in implementing medium and low voltage projects and transmission lines such as in Toshka the 2 projects, 375,000 acre and East Egyptian countryside, with total cost exceeding 200 million Egyptian pounds. Integrated projects in Sharq al-Uwaynat at a total cost exceeding 1.75 billion Egyptian pounds. In addition to the Decent Life projects with a total cost exceeding 1 billion Egyptian pounds. Furthermore, EGEMAC aims to collaborate with major entities in the procurement sector and the execution of integrated projects in Egypt. As the company has rehabilitated power stations in Palestine, Lebanon, and Yemen. Also, EGEMAC hasn't overlooked its regional role in the heart of Africa. The company's first step was exporting measurement transformers and distribution kiosks to the Democratic Republic of Congo. It also seeks to develop and improve the electricity network across Africa. EGEMAC's journey of success continues through entering new partnerships to penetrate new foreign markets, as its partnership with the Saudi Al Nafa Group to participate in electricity project in Egypt and Saudi Arabia.
To produce materials and medium voltage electrical poles.
Additionally, the company collaborates with Lucy, an English company that is heavily present in Africa and Arab countries to produce ring main units. EGEMAC's role is not limited only in the manufacturing expertise. It welcomes various delegations and gives comprehensive training programs. Throughout its long journey in the field of electrical product manufacturing, EGEMAC has achieved a privileged position and has become a shining sign not only in Egypt but also in the Middle East and Africa. It becomes a destination for many customers who seek for uniqueness and excellence.